pissed. I am so mad. What is great? Okay, you guys, before we jump into today's vlog, to tell you why I'm really so mad, I really have to show you guys how much fun these kids are having by getting summer ready. Can you tell that Thailand Sarah is having the best time right now? I'm going to show you two amazing products that is a must-have for this summer. The first one I'm going to go ahead and show you is this swimming pool, and this swimming pool is Hyvigor swimming pool that I super love. It's huge for the entire family. I need enough space to hold the swimming pool. I'm going to spread out the swimming pool, and I'm going to go ahead and pump it with the air pump. I went ahead and put the air into the swimming pool, and you guys can see how spacious it is. Also come with these two balls in it, which I think is super cute. The kids had so much fun. And the cool touch about the swimming pool that I really like is this overhead sunroof that it comes with. The thing about the sunroof is that it took me a little while to figure it out, but after I figured it out, it was totally worth it. I installed the sunroof. It's a really cool touch to the swimming pool that both parents and the kids can enjoy, so that the sun is not on you too much. So this is what it looks like after the sunroof is attached to it. Here am I giving you a close-up to see exactly how stylish, and it really gives it a cute little look instead of just having your swimming pool with yourself out into the sun. As you guys can see, Sarah is having a ball into this swimming pool, and she couldn't wait to get wet and enjoy the swimming pool. Another thing I want to show you guys is that I took off the sunroof and I went ahead and show you guys what it looks like if you were to cover your swimming pool and left it weather overnight, so nothing doesn't get in your water. And the cover is so easy to attach to the swimming pool that you just need to click the locks together and tighten it so that it fits to the size of the swimming pool really tightly. So that's a nice little touch that I like, so you don't have to just throw your water out. Now the second product that I want to show you is this splash pad that the kids couldn't wait to get wet in. It's pretty easy to install. All you have to do is attach your hose to the splash pad, turn on your pipe, and wait for the water to get in the full dimension of the splash pad. So the kids just sit there and look at the water while the water was circulating to fill the splash pad up. And as the water circulates, you start to see the water coming through the hole slowly. So there you guys have it, as the water comes all the way up and just project into the middle. This water was pretty cool, so Sarah was in and out of it, and Tyler played around with it until he got a real feel of it. But they had a blast. This splash pad is really nice. If your water is not as cold as mine, then it will be perfect. But after a while, even though the water is cold, the kids warmed up to it and they had so much fun. So after a while, I turned the pipe off, and as you guys can see, the water still remain within the base of the splash pad, and they still can play around with it, so you don't have to keep your pipe on the entire time while the kids enjoy the water in the splash pad, and they still play with the ball. They still had fun. So it's an amazing touch for the summer to cool you down, and you guys can go ahead and purchase this right now at the link down below and use my discount code at Delaveaus 35 to get 35% off right now. Click the link down below and enjoy cooling down for the summer. Thank me later. Let's get right into today's vlog. Guys, we reached the supermarket after all that summer getting ready fun with the kids. Earlier we were all drained. We took a nap and we reached the supermarket, and as I step in, I see a race car. I remember that this week on the French Riviera here in France will be busy because it's a Formula One in Monaco, biggest race happening, and it's also Cannes Film Festival going on, and they have a car here displaying the supermarket. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You went already close up to see it, Ty?
Yes, but I want to go back close.
Go, but don't touch. Go. Go.
I want to go.
You don't touch, okay?
The seat is too small.
No, not at all. That's how the seat is in real life. That's really how it is. Hold on.
he just put his body in the middle and sit down, just like
So where
that.
his foot to go?
His foot straight like this in it.
So to
It's not like a real car.
So okay, you mean that his foot to go?
All the way here.
You mean it to go?
You see the steering wheel? Can you see it from where you are? Yeah, so that's where you sit behind the steering wheel.
Yes, but his foot, you mean he's going to just touch that? Yeah.
I don't know how far his foot is, depends on how tall he is.
But he's
You want to see?
Yes, but we can't go.
So this is the Red Bull car. Okay, you guys, I can't stay here all day. Let's go shopping. Come on. Let me see. Well, relax. All right, time to go shop. What you doing? Ty?
Why Alexa showing a lot of things? She's so...
Alexa always show a lot of things. Yes? What? What?
Alexa, she's just saying she hear her name.
So she's spinning. You guys, we've been back. We are back from the supermarket. And it's time for the
supermarket. Mama, you know what has written on Alexa? Chicken with something fish or
Yes, so
something.
you can give you the recipe for that. Alexa can give you any recipe that you want. What did you say?
You know to swear.
You hear what she said? What did you say? Le lion est mort ce soir, she said. She
Okay.
said, Alexa, le lion est mort ce soir. She's too funny. Anyway, you guys, look who is home. Look who is home. Ready?
The king of the crew.
The king of the crew, absolutely. And you're the what?
The prince.
Of course. And Sarah is the?
Princess.
And Mama is the?
Queen.
Yes, all day. All right, let's go. The royal family. What's this? Yes. What's this?
Mama. Esto shows the series Obi-Wan. It's come out.
It's toothpaste.
Tuesday.
Wait, look at this one. Look at him admiring his daughter just smiling like he's a clown. Look at your papa. Look at papa.
Wow.
Papa's shirt is pretty. All right, guys, come. You're smitten by your daughter. There's nothing wrong with that. What?
Jealousy, jealousy.
Never,
When you
never.
eat at the door. Jealousy, jealousy.
Never, never, never. The love you have for me is a whole different kind of love you have for Sarah. Why are you in Tyler bag? Chips, Doritos, kind of feeling.
Mama, this one.
What's this?
Yogurt.
No. Oh, she said yogurt because I put this in the yogurt in the morning for breakfast. It's cereal.
Cereal.
Yeah.
There's avocado here. Where's that?
I have wrap.
Ranch? How you call that?
Caesar, it's written on it. It's the same thing in English.
No, Caesar what? Caesar sauce?
Caesar dressing. Caesar
it's
salad
dressing you
dressing.
call it. Okay, okay.
Yes.
It's the
Or
dressing.
Caesar sauce.
Ice cream cone.
Yes.
That is it, and we're ice cream.
Yes. For Sarah and Tai Tai and Mama.
And Papa. Yes, and Papa. And Papa.
No, that's okay, Tara.
Deserving.
That's okay. I don't really want that.
Ice cream.
Lemonade. Ice cream cone.
We have apple. We have coconut water. So, how is the coconut
It
water?
was very good. I
She
did
got,
discover really
I think
nice
she got 2
coconut water.
bottles today.
Yes.
So-
How you know that? Because he helped me pack the bag.
I have to pack the bag. So, I guess it was good.
When it's chill, it tastes nice. I've been searching for a good coconut water, but the ones that I found in the past, they add sugar to it and I don't like all the things. Yes. Stop doing that, please.
Sarah? What is that?
Green.
Yeah, what color is it?
Green.
It's
No,
a
what
white
is it?
seedless grape.
What is
Cereal
this?
bar, comfort,
What is this?
cereal fruit.
Sarah, what is
Where's
this?
she going? Sugar.
We have some
Toothpaste.
rice, basmati rice,
Toothpaste.
salad, regular salad, lettuce,
Green.
whatever you call it.
Toothbrush. Mama, open it.
No, Mama soon open it. See grapes there if you
But
want.
Mama,
See grapes
Mama.
there.
We
No,
have,
for Sarah mostly. Nutella.
we have a melon, we have a soap dishwasher.
I was searching for big Nutella, but they don't have any. This is the biggest size they have. I was kind of mad, but okay. I got
We will
it.
take the French one. Sometimes we have
Mama,
the
we
French
the only
version.
one.
Okay.
I look next week again.
We have some bananas,
Let's just go please.
bananas.
Oh, look at Bones with them big bottom.
Chocolate.
Good job.
Ooh, this one is good. It's
Put
for
them
us?
all over. No,
Which one is not for us?
no, it's not.
It's for who?
For me. Not for us, for me.
We have chicken. And we have apple juice. We have two
They're
packets of
also
apple.
for me. And
Don't
Sarah.
you know what we're going to eat tonight?
I have no idea.
I
But they can turn on the
never
oven.
opened it.
Strawberries for Tai and
I
Sarah.
want to eat the samosas and then some last.
I
Sarah.
had that on Tuesday. I didn't buy any today.
Sarah.
It's cake.
Good.
Yeah. You want cake? You want cake?
We have sushi.
Say yes, Mama.
She found out she wanted to try new things. Cut with the pork. And pâté de l'ange sans eau grillée. I guess this is pork too.
Yes,
Two pack of pork.
Here.
Barbecue can go well at barbecue or in the stove or anywhere. Already seasoned.
Yes, I wanted to try the seasoning that they have on them. I like this season, so I'll take one of each. Just to try.
We have a second apple. This apple
Corn.
is cheap. This apple is good if you just
It is
drink it,
fresh.
drinking like this fresh. But
Yes.
if you eat something and take it beside,
Oh, terrible.
it tastes like medicine.
It's true.
It
I
just
never
needs
used
to
to
be-
like it in the
It
past.
just need to be just it.
Tomato. Can I open it, sir?
So we have butter, we have a watermelon $4.
I only buy one piece this week because last week I had to use them to make juice.
Okay.
Juice for my kids.
Oh, something new.
Aha.
Cheese. It's called vache
Wait, you
cheese.
soon get
It's a very famous,
eat the cake.
very famous one in France. Most of the time we used to give that. It's one of the first cheese that we give to kids.
And I realized that Sarah
So-
is the lover of cheese, just like Tyler was when Tyler was
To make them taste
Oh
cheese.
yeah, I mean it won't hurt to taste.
No.
Why is your bag still full?
Because I want to
Be a biscuit and no. May I have grapes?
Mama, look what I did.
May I? Yes, you can open it. Nutella biscuit for Tyler. You like the Sarah?
I can open
Tyler.
this.
Yes, you can open
Pretzel. I was
it.
looking.
Please.
Please.
Very good.
And buy biscuits. Oh, that's different, this one.
Is the one for you?
Which one is the one for me? It's for you, but you took different way.
Oh no!
Fig.
Oh no!
Fig. Fig. You know what is fig and apricot? Well, you better eat it. Because you don't have choice. You have that for the week, so. Hopefully it tastes terrible.
It looked just like the one I normally take, and I didn't read to see that it's.
But Mama, sorry, but I had thought you was taking the fig, but I thought you was also going to take the usual one.
Biscuits.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah, you're so good. I am
She looks so pissed.
I am so mad. What is great? I am so mad.
Read.
Sorry, when you didn't say something if you saw a mistake in
But
it.
I thought you wanted
But
to.
guess what? Let's flip it on the bright
Maybe
side.
it tastes good.
Maybe it tastes good and I'll end up liking it. If I don't taste it, then I won't know so.
Exactly.
I won't be mad. I'll taste it. I'll come back and tell you guys how it
I
is.
thought you wanted to give it to Papa.
cheesecake, but I only take 1 pack this week.
I thought you wanted to give it to Papa, that's why.
Yeah, but it's all took the coconut one for Papa. Yogurt for the kids.
I'm
for
supposed to
babe.
give 2.
Ham.
Ham and sausages are must each week.
Yeah, ham is good for sandwich. Whenever we go, you have a ham.
Yeah.
Sausages, same thing is fast thing. We used to take a lot of hot dog in the past with hot dog bread.
Because Tyler used to love hot dog. Tyler don't ask for hot dog lately, so I don't buy it.
Alright. What else we have? We have some yogurt for the sugar salad. Okay, I'm looking at the dates because sometimes it's something that she don't really look at.
I just shop, okay? I just pick up what I think I need and go about my
She's the
business.
good one. Like whenever you want something, like you try to hide it. You try. If it doesn't work properly, you just try to sell it like cheat the person. She's the good one to get that. Trust me. She come to you and say, look, I did a good things. I find it was a very good deal, and I take 3 pack of it. Buy 1 get 2 pack. I did well. You look at the date. Oh, but it expired tomorrow. Huh? That's her.
He's always roasted me, huh? He's always roasted me. What's your
Auntie is roasting
I'm
you.
trying. That's a technique.
Roasting you with this?
That's a technique. I'm trying to put her on the middle to forward her everything that I want to tell her, so she just take it like and say, okay, next time I won't do the mistake. That's what I hope she does. I'm sure she does. Next time she will look. But the only thing with her, next time she will look, and 2 times after she forgets.
Come, let's tell her beating rock, paper, scissors just because you say that. Come, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors time. Let's go.
Tyler beat me too many times.
Tyler beat you 3 times in a row. The past 3 weeks you've been losing. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I need that one.
What's your papa crying like, oh, she.
Papa is really crying.
What an embarrassment. What a shame. What an embarrassment.
You know what? You saw there at the third point that I had to rock. But me, in real, I don't wanted to do rock. I wanted to do scissors.
I love you.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul, and babe continued to lose and Tyler continued to win, and I love it. Anyway, we're gonna wrap up the supermarket haul here. It's Friday, so you guys know no cooking. So you guys go ahead and click the link down below and purchase a swimming pool, purchase a splash pad, and tell me what your experience is like, because Tyler and Sarah had so much fun all day today, and it's a must for this summer to calm you down from this heat, okay?